y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. I am here to do another hair review. Yes, I said it, another hair review. I was sent another unit by Kayla's Hair. This unit is a little different from anything that I've ever had before. I had showed it to my sister and she said it was right up my alley. So it's one of those baseball cap units and it has braids in it. So it was really interesting and I saw it. I was like, I want to try that. And so they sent this to me and you guys are going to get my initial review because I'm going to do an unboxing and then I'm going to actually put it on just so you can see. So you're going to get my first impressions because I haven't even opened the box. I just saw pictures of it. I have not opened the box, so I don't even know what it looks like. But they didn't say the inches on the hair, but based on the pictures, basically based on the pictures, it looks like a 14-inch. So we will see. It came in a bag. This is an Amazon company, so it came in a bag like this. When you open it, you see you get the Kayla's Hair. This is definitely a synthetic hair, but it's a braid unit. So, you open the package. It looks good, y'all. Just had a sneak peek. So, there's a couple of things that come in here. So, it has the net, of course, and two of these things that, hold it in. This is a construction, so you have a bunch of, like, braids in here. And honestly, these braids look actually good. I would probably have to boil this to have this looking straight because it's kind of curly because it was in the pack. So yeah, I'm going to boil this so this can look straighter. But I'm going to definitely try it on for y'all. Like I said, it looks like a 14, maybe 16 inches. The baseball cap. It's a dad hat. Once, you put your head into this, it'll fill in. But it also has adjustable straps here. I'm going to tighten this because... in my head, I have a small head, so I don't know what the rest of the world thinks, but for me, I have a small head, so I adjust the cap. Let me see. Yeah. So I'm gonna come back with the unit on, and hopefully I don't look too crazy, but I'm excited to see what it looks like. Cause look, this looks kind of cute. It's not even. Wait, let me show you the inside. So it's like braids around the perimeter, like it's not even in the cap. So hopefully my big head fits in here. I'll be back, y'all. So y'all, I am back, and the hat is not really I'm not sure what's going on with this hat, but it's not made well. Like, it doesn't cover my whole head, and I have a I don't know if you can even see the back of my head, but it looks cute. Like if you're running to the grocery store. Oh, maybe that works. Oh, okay. I think that's what I needed. Maybe if you're running to the grocery store or if you're going somewhere really quick. But I wouldn't play around with this because I have no coverage in the back. Like I have a wig cap on and there are no clips on this. So if somebody snatches this off your head, you're going to be real embarrassed if your braids are not fresh. But overall, this is super duper cute. Super cute. Like, and y'all know I got a whole bunch of new sweatsuits. Girl, this is cute. I like it. But to be honest, I don't know if this is too secure. But if you're got to go somewhere real quick, this is cute. It makes me miss braids. Like, who would have known braids would look this cute? I like this, even though the back is not covered. Let me turn around. I don't know if you guys can see if it's thick enough braids to cover the stocking cap I have back here. And these are like the braids in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but if you can't, this is great because I can't see the back from where I am. It looks like it's covered. This is making me miss braids. Like, bruh, I love this. This wig was $35. It's called maybe it's not called a shig. It's a hat wig. It's a wig hat. Whatever. I don't know. If you're going somewhere really quick, This is a go. I really want braids now. They did a really good job with these braids, but you know, like you see how these are kind of crinkly? It's because it was folded into an envelope. But if you dip this into some hot water, you can get it straight. And it comes to like right here down to like my boob. And I want to, this may be like an 18-inch. I don't think it's a 14 or 16-inch like I thought originally. But the hat is not really like, I feel like it has no form, but when I pull it down from the sides, I feel like it gives me the illusion of a form, but it really is like when you put it on, there's no shape in the hat. Like it lost a lot of structure. That's the only downside, and I'm not sure what it looks like on the back. So those are the only cons, but the pros are, this is super cute, super convenient, and it's a go. I'm not gonna lie, this hair kind of itches a little bit, but it's synthetic. Synthetic hair does that. Once I dip it in the water, I think the itching will go away. I'm gonna actually dip it in apple cider vinegar first and then boil it, because it's like whatever part of this hair touches my skin, like the skin on my neck, it's like kind of itchy. So, but this is cute. I freaking love this. This is a look. I actually want my sister to see it on, because I had showed it to her and she's like, Carlene, that is right up your alley. That looks like something that you would wear all the time. And I'm super excited, guys. Like, this is cute. But let's talk about the giveaway, because I know I've been saying this all Vlogmas that I'm doing a giveaway. So I want to talk about what I'm going to be giving away. So giveaway details. So in my giveaway, I will be talking about, I don't know what I'm talking about right now. In my giveaway, I'm going to be giving away a perfume or cologne, depending if it's a guy. And I will be giving away a free wig. Yeah, I'll give away either a headband wig or a 4x4 wig by Nadula. So, to enter into the giveaway, you have to be following me on Instagram, Prospect Monroe. So it's Prospect__Monroe. And you have to comment under this video and to be subscribed to me, to my channel, yeah, by the end of the close date. So the end of the close date will be, so let me start over. So you have to subscribe to my Instagram, which is Prospect__Monroe. You have to like this video. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube page. That's also Prospect Monroe. And you have to comment under Vlogmas video number 3. So, again, I'm going to say this one more time. You have to be subscribed to me on YouTube. You have to follow me on Instagram, both Prospect Monroe. You have to like this video and comment under video number 3, Vlogmas Day 3 video. And I will be randomly picking a winner. So if you do all 3 things to enter into the giveaway, you will automatically be entered. Now, if you want to be entered twice, so if you want to be entered into the giveaway twice, what you would do to get more than one entry is to comment on like and comment any one of my Vlogmas videos. So if you like and comment on any one of my Vlogmas, so to be day 1 to 24, you will be entered in twice. So if you comment and like Vlogmas video 1 through 24, you will be entered 25 times, because you automatically have to comment on 3. So you would have to comment 2 times on 3. I hope I haven't confused anybody. You can always DM me or send me a message here and I'll clarify for you. But you have until December 25th, that is Christmas Day, to comment. So that's like less than a week, but you can comment as many times as you want and you're going to be entered. So once again, let me break it down. You gotta follow Pink Glitter. I'm sorry. That was my other business. You gotta follow Prospect Monroe on Instagram. You gotta follow Prospect Monroe. Subscribe to Prospect Monroe on YouTube. Comment on Vlogmas Day 3 video. Comment and like it. Then, if you want multiple entries, you need to comment and like any of my Vlogmas videos. So if you want to get 25 entries, you have to comment and like all of my videos. So yeah, I think that's pretty simple. I will, the last day to do it is December 25th, Christmas Day. I will announce the winner on December 26th. So good luck, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. I'm new and I could feel the love during Vlogmas. Shout out to all my cousins. Y'all always support me. I love all of y'all. Y'all are the winners, really. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in another video.